Compound inequalities with the word and ask you to find x values that meet both conditions at once. In this case, x values that are less than or equal to 7 and x values that are greater than or equal to 1. We're looking for the x values that have both of these true at once. So one way I could see that is by looking at the overlap between the two. I'm looking for x values that are less than or equal to 7. Plus I'm looking at the x values that are greater than or equal to 1, and is asking where both it's colored in light blue and dark blue. The numbers that get colored in light blue and dark blue are the numbers between 1 and 7 inclusive. From 1 to 7 is the overlap between the two. For the word or, you don't need the overlap. Being colored in by either condition is sufficient. So the first one tells us that negative 10x has to be less than or equal to negative 40. In other words, x has to be flip the sign because I divide by a negative, greater than or equal to 4. The second condition says that 3x has to be less than or equal to negative 15, so x has to be less than or equal to negative 5. On a number line, or means either condition is enough. The numbers that are greater than or equal to 4 will be part of my solution set. Also, the numbers that are less than or equal to negative 5 will be part of my solution set. Because it's an or, I don't need the overlap. I just need either condition to be true. So both of these get included in my solution set. My solution set is everything from negative infinity to negative 5. Union, oh, I should have done open on 4. Right, 4, oops, wrong way. Should have done open on 5. 4 we could be equal to, so that one gets a closed circle. Negative 5 was supposed to be just a strictly less than, so can't actually be negative 5. Open circle at negative 5. And you're looking for the overlap, or either one lets the numbers into the solution set. This is an and one. It's the same as this one, so we know what it's going to come out to. It's going to be, the first one says that x has to be greater than or equal to 4. The second condition says that x has to be less than negative 5. When I put those on a number line, and means I'm looking for the overlap. The overlap between greater than or equal to 4 overlapped with less than 5, there is no overlap. So my final answer, none. There's nowhere that's both of those at the same time. And means both at the same time. There's no overlap. So my final answer is the empty set, or the empty set, or no solution, or a number line that has literally nothing colored in. Or means either one is enough. Either condition being met is enough to put an x value into my final answer. So I'll let in the x values that are greater than or equal to 10. I will also let in the x values that are greater than negative 1. So the numbers that are greater than negative 1, those are going to end up in my final answer, as well as the numbers that are greater than or equal to 10, which another way to say that would be just numbers greater than 1. The greater than or equal to 10 didn't give me anything that the greater than negative 1 didn't already give me. So my final answer is just all of the x's where x is greater than negative 1, or all of the x's starting at negative 1 going up to infinity.